Good afternoon everyone. It's time for an unboxing video. Lift that up so you can see that there. Got this off eBay. God's sake, and how much tape. It's a Dolce Gusto coffee machine. Bought it second hand because I didn't see the point of spending. I only paid 15 quid for this. I didn't see the point of spending any more than the 50 quid that they try and charge you. Needs a good clean. But it is what it is. For 15 quid, as long as it works. Take it all apart, stick it in the dishwasher. And there you have it. Gusto coffee pod machine. It does need a good clean. Not gonna lie to you. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.